How to create a fridge magnet. First, I print my design on photo sticker paper using the highest quality setting. I got these designs from Pinterest. After that, I carefully place a matte, transparent sticker on top to protect the print and soften the shine. Next, I cut each piece to size, keeping the edges clean and even. Then I peel the photo sticker and stick the design onto the magnet base, pressing slowly to remove any air bubbles. I trim the edges for smooth finishing. And finally, I wipe it clean, slide it on a clear cellophane bag, seal it neatly, and it's ready to sell or gift this as a gift. If you have no materials and time to make this, you can order from us here at Bunny Bubbles Crafts. Thanks for watching!